Hello, reading friends! Welcome, and thank you for joining me for today's story time. Are you ready for today's story? For today's book, we will be going on an adventure to see some of our forest friends. Let's take a look and see who will we find. Today's book is called Good Night Forest by Denise Brennan Nelson. If you have a copy, please grab it now so we can read together. Okay, let's get started. Good morning, forest. Rise and shine. Good morning, maple, oak, and pine. Good morning, sun. Hello, day. Good morning, deer. Want to play? Do you see the deer? Good job. Here it is. Good morning, bird. Sing your song. How many birds do you see? Let's count together. 1, 2, and 3. 3 birds. Good morning, stream. Hum along. Good morning, chipmunk. Squirrel, too. Good morning, beaver. There's work to do. Good morning, flowers. And rustling leaves. Good morning, cricket. And gentle breeze. Hello, porcupine. You look lively. Do you see the porcupine? Good job. Here he is. Good day, moss, ferns, and ivy. Hello, turtle. Come out of your shell. Good day, skunk. What's that smell? Deep in the forest, the creatures play. But something happens at the end of the day. What happens at the end of the day? Let's read and find out. A hush falls over, wide and deep. Even the forest has to sleep. Good night, trees. Good night, stream. Good night, otter. Time to dream. Good night, critters. Good night, day. Sleepy time. No more play. Good night, bird. Find your nest. Good night, forest. Get some rest. Can you say good night? Good job. Good night, ant. Where's your hill? Good night, bunny. Soft and still. Good night, bear. No more growl. Good night, coyote. Quiet howl. Do you see the bear? Good job. There he is. Time to sleep. All creatures do. Good night, forest. Good night, you. All done. Good job. That was such a great book. Which one was your favorite animal friend? My favorite was the bunny. It looks so cute sleeping. What do we say when it's time to go to sleep? Good job. Good night. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to give us a like. See you next week. Bye. Check out our YouTube channel for more fun videos.